Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off dial pad tones on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, knowing how to turn off dial pad tones give you more control over your device audio output, allowing for a quieter, more personalized experience and reducing unnecessary distractions. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, enter your device settings by tapping on the gear shape icon. Once you are in the settings menu, find out and select the sound and vibration option. Okay, upon entering the sound and vibration menu, you will find a range of options related to various auditory and tactile notifications. Scroll down through the list until you reach the haptics and sound section. Okay, so here if you wish to silence this dial pad tone, simply tap on the toggle switch next to the dial pad tone option. This action will disable the audible feedback associated with pressing the button on your phone's dial pad. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off dial pad tones on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.